Ethereum has collapsed minus 9.08% to $1,608.96, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Saturday, June 6th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Risk-off sentiment is gripping markets today. The move follows reports that crude oil prices today, Brent, WTI surge above $95 as US-Iran conflict escalates, cryptorank. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is down minus 2.64%, trading at $7,383.74. Investor sentiment is being shaped by the tech stock sell-off isn't worrying some stock market experts. Is a bubble about to pop? Investopedia. NASDAQ 100 plunged minus 4.77% to $28,958 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market news today. S&P 500, NASDAQ fall as chip stocks sell off after strong jobs report ecx.org. Dow Jones is down minus 1.35%, trading at $50,867. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market news today. S&P 500, NASDAQ fall as chip stocks sell off after strong jobs report ecx.org. DAX is little changed, hovering near $24,759. The move follows reports that crude oil prices today, Brent, WTI surge above $95 as US-Iran conflict escalates, cryptorank. FTSE 100 is little changed, hovering near $10,368. Equity markets are responding to reports that Fed risks fueling a stock bubble by overlooking ARA-driven inflation, BCA. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. TSMC made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 6.69% to $415.17. Equity markets are responding to reports that TSMC's $165 billion Arizona gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. ASML made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 6.59% to $1,641.74. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SK Hynix places record $8 billion order for ASML UV lithography machines should pay for up to 30 UV machines over 2 years, serving HBM and advanced DRAM production, Tom's Hardware. Samsung plunged minus 6.40% to $329,000 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. Nvidia plunged minus 6.20% to $205.10 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by three things Broadcom and Nvidia investors should look for when Broadcom reports earnings on The Motley Fool. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that crude oil prices today, Brent, WTI surge above $95 as US-Iran conflict escalates, cryptorank. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Equity markets are responding to reports that Fed risks fueling a stock bubble by overlooking ARA-driven inflation, BCA. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market news today, S&P 500, NASDAQ fall as chip stocks sell off after strong jobs report ecx.org. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $92.87 per barrel, down 2.27% on the session. The move follows reports that are OPEC's days of dominance over. Why the cartel is cracking the daily economy. WTI crude plunged to $90.25 per barrel, down 3% on the session. The move follows reports that are OPEC's days of dominance over. Why the cartel is cracking the daily economy. Natural gas plunged to $3.22, down 3.48% on the session. The move follows reports that crude oil prices today, Brent, WTI surge above $95 as US-Iran conflict escalates, cryptorank. Gold dropped sharply to $4,353.90 per troy ounce, down 2.72% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold slips as rising oil prices and inflation concerns temper safe haven demand. Yahoo Finance. Let us give you our near-term view on Ethereum. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for Ethereum is around $1,512.42. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.15, losing 0.71% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.33, losing 0.68% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.29, gaining 0.22% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to the international role of the euro, June 2026, European Central Bank. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.